Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Beard Porn. And the special guest star, Raja, the Wonder Cat. Oh, hi, Raja. She likes to make herself, she's trying to make herself internet famous. Maybe we'll have to give her a Instagram channel or something. Anyway, today we've got some St.Bernardus, Watu, a classic Belgian wit, 5% alcohol. What are you doing? Don't rub up against the internet. Raja's on your side. She likes to rub up against the camera stand. Anyway, a classic Belgian wit. And I need all the wits I can get. Can't really smell in the can. Very pale. Nice head on it. The crisp, weedy, it's a hint of orange peel that you get from a good wit. That's right, Raja. Actually, more lemon. Excuse me, in the taste. So lemon peel, wheat. It's pretty good. Nothing fancy, just a really good, solid brew. Yeah, I like it. Good spring fare. Scale of 1 to 5, easily 3.5. Wits are a good summer drink to wash your summer woes away. Anyway, yeah, that's what we got. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.